My main concern is I'm a storyteller who happens to be working in the field of film.
I'm here with Tatay Kidlat Tahimik. Has been a progression of blurring of the lines between mainstream and indie. Do you have any thoughts on this sort of evolution?
Alam nyo, since I entered almost 50 years ago, ang dami ng mga technologies, ang dami ng mga platforms, ang dami ng mga panibagong paraan how to tell a story. My main concern is I'm a storyteller who happens to be working in the field of film. Nung umpisa talagang zero ang platforms. The commercial film industry would not allow you to show your films in the usual theaters. Now you don't have to go to a cinema. You can have a little laptop or cell phone, pwede na panoorin yung kwento mo, di ba? Just on the technology side, mas democratized na ngayon ang possibility to tell your story. Siyempre, pabor pa rin yung mga kikita. But I'm still happy that marami ng like Cinemalaya, plus yung mga international festivals. May pag-asa pa rin for even the most obscure filmmaker to get his story out there. Marami ng mga pintuan, marami ng bintana para even a Kidlat Tahimik film might be able to be shared with the rest of the world.
Keep up to date by following our socials for schedules and other details.